Hi, I'm Bianca from Dr. Struck's office, and I'm going to go over how to take care of yourself after you do a facelift. So when you go home from the procedure, you do need to have somebody who's going to drive you and stay with you for the first 24 hours. We will see you the very next day. When you leave the surgery center, you're going to have a big white Teletubby looking head dressing on. We're going to take that off from you, take a look, make sure everything's looking beautiful, and then get you into a little chin strap that is easy for you to remove so you can shower. One day after your surgery, you can go home, you can shower, you can wash your hair, you can wash your face. You do want to be a little bit fragile with the incision areas that go right in front of the ears and then back into the hairline. So you want to make sure you're not using your nails as you're shampooing. You will have blood in your hair. All of that is normal. It might take a few shampoos for you to get it out. We do want you to sleep elevated for the first at least 2 nights. That's going to help with the bruising and swelling, make you heal a little bit faster. That chin strap is going to go right back on after you shower. So it's going to be nice and tight. We want you to wear it all the time for the first 5 days and then about 50% for the remaining 5 days. This is the chin strap that we're going to put you in the one day after your post-op. It's going to be nice and snug and support that lower chin. It velcros at the top and it has 2 stabilizing straps to make sure it's not going anywhere. You're going to put this on really snug after your shower. It does not need to choke you. It just needs to be enough where it's going to help support that lower chin area. Stitches are normally in for a facelift depending on where the patient lives or how fast you're healing. Sometimes we take the first ones out at around 5 days. Sometimes we wait 7 days or 10 days, just depending on how fast you're healing or where you live in convenience to our location. It is normal after your procedure, maybe 2 to 3 weeks after we take those original sutures out, that the ones underneath come to the surface. So in order to have a beautiful scar, we do something called layered closure. So underneath the skin that you can't see at the time of the procedure, we put some anchoring stitches in that are dissolvable. However, when they come to the surface after the skin heals, they do feel almost like fishing line and they're plastic. They're not going to harm you. Eventually they will come out on their own, but they're a little bit of a nuisance, so we do like to take them out at about 3 to 4 weeks after your surgery date. Swelling is completely normal after a facelift. It does take a few months to see the final results. So be patient, but facelifts are beautiful and we're happy to help you through your journey.